In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a Changelly account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to changelly.com, and then over here on the website, you'll see at the top right, you can see this kind of profile icon. Simply click on that, and then this will direct you over here where you can then create an account. Now, you can continue either with using your email, which you will have to, of course, put in your email and password, or you can just continue with Google for faster login. So I'm going to continue with Google right now, because I just think it's quicker and more convenient. I'm going to select my account over here, and then I will press on continue down at the bottom, and that's pretty much all you have to do to go through this part. Now here, as you can see, I've now successfully registered my account. It says I am signed in and I can basically do whatever I want with it. I can now buy or sell or exchange. I can see my history, change my settings, look at for the partners page or log out. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.